Under the activity of Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat, this week's Chhattisgarh news are as follows. Greenery crisis. The plant planted in the name of bringing greenery to the industrial area of Bhilai have disappeared. Chhattisgarh Budget 2021 need to provide drinking water to every household in the village. The goal is to provide 55 liters of water per person. The MAC festival has started at Maharaja Agrasen International College. Program is being conducted both online and offline. Over 2 lakh COVID vaccine doses reached in Raipur. COVID-19 recovery rate improved to 97.38%. Discussion on school opening. CBSE classes from 9th to 12th are also expected to open from 16th. Weather news. Due to the low level of atmosphere of the state, due to the warm moist air coming from the southeast, now the minimum temperature is continuously increasing. That's all for today. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. So here are some this week's Chhattisgarh's news. Entry of medium heavy vehicles prohibited. Keeping in the view the public safety and smooth traffic, Raipur Collector and District Magistrate Dr. S. Bharti Dasan has banned the entry of medium and heavy vehicles from 6 to 10 pm. It was announced on Friday. Nearly 400 in Kankar gets medical treatment in 1 week. Thanks to mobile ambulances provided by the Chhattisgarh government, a total of 382 people received medical treatment in 18 Hath Bazar in Kankar district in just 7 days from January 28 to February 3rd. CGPSC pre-exam on February 14th. The Chhattisgarh Public Service Commission pre-exam will be held on February 14th. Examination centers have been set up in 17 towns across the state, a press release said on Friday. CM got invited to Chhattisgarh Open Golf Tournament. The General Secretary of Golf Federation of India, Aryabir, on Thursday urged Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel to attend the Chhattisgarh Open Golf Tournament to be held at Mayfair Golf Course in Sector 24 of Nava Raipur in February of March. Swimming pools, water parks to open in Raipur. The Raipur District Administration on Wednesday decided to open swimming pools and water parks that were closed after the corona pandemic and to be opened soon.
Good morning to everyone. So here are some Chhattisgarh's this week's news. CM launches Bajik Incubation Centers. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel on Saturday launched the incubation centers and the agribusiness incubation and the production center of the Indira Gandhi Agricultural University to mark the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Landless tribal families to get land in scheduled areas. CM. Landless tribal families will be provided land in scheduled area of Chhattisgarh, Chief Minister said on Saturday, adding that no family will be left without ownership of land. CM's consent for road safety World Series cricket. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister has given his consent for organizing a Road Safety World Series cricket tournament from March 2 to 21 in Raipur. It was announced on Sunday. Chhattisgarh buys 73% of country's minor forest produce. Chhattisgarh has become the top state of the country in collecting the minor forest produce and has established a new record by purchasing 73% of it.
On the occasion of Republic Day, the Government of India on Monday announced the name of Chhattisgarh police officers who had received the Distinguished Service Medal, Commendable Service Medal and Gallantry Medals. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel on Wednesday said that the financially strong women symbolized an empowered Chhattisgarh and that self-sufficient women inspired the whole family and other sections of the society. 72-seater aircraft will now be able to land at the Bilasabai Keating Airport in Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. So that's all for this week's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello friend, this week news on Chhattisgarh under the activity of Ek Bharat Shresh Bharat are as follows. Raipur, Chhattisgarh. While there are protests in most parts of the country against the steep hike in fuel prices, in Chhattisgarh the rate of petrol and diesel are cheaper by 12 and 4 compared to its neighboring states. Chhattisgarh uses TFM fund to set up English medium schools. Bisalpur, Chhattisgarh is going to be linked by air service from March 1 to New Delhi, Jabalpur to Madhya Pradesh under the scheme of UDAN. Parts of the central and south India are expected to experience wet weather conditions for the next 24 hours as per IMD. Raipur, the state government will purchase paddy from farmers at minimum support price from December 1 to January 31. In Raipur, the right-hand district of Chhattisgarh these days is witnessing red sightseeing of migratory birds from the Euro-Siberian region. Raipur, Water Resources Department officials said that the river drains and water sources of the state are being revived through the Narwar Development Scheme for the conservation and recharge of groundwater in Chhattisgarh. Raigad police rescues kidnapped son of a billionaire from Jharkhand within 12 hours. That's all for today's video.